Hi folks, I am from Intexus Tech. Finally, the most demanded video related to Power BI project building is there. Today we are going to build Power BI dashboard. In this video, to learn Power BI, we consider the project to clear and understand dashboard building step by step, from scratch to advanced, and build one project as well that you can add in your profile or resume. So if this video is helpful to you, then please hit like button and subscribe to the channel to get more videos like it. Going to build this Power BI dashboard that is based on Superstore Sales dashboard based on the US country. This is Excel file on which I getting the order ID, order date, ship place, ship mode, customer ID, and so on. You can see on the Excel file as a column heads till that payment mode. Now we have to import in our Power BI interface. So we are going to build this. By opening this, we are going to tap on blank report and to get data as we access the Excel file. So Superstore sales dataset is my Excel file name. I am importing on import the data. It's loading. There's a sheet one. On sheet one, all the data are there. You can see here. From there, you can transform data in where you can edit. So I know that my data is clean, so I don't have to edit or transform it. So I am directly loading it. It takes some seconds or minutes depending upon your data file size. Yeah, it's get loaded on the table. On the table view, you can see all the data is loaded. Now on this is a place where we are going to build our own dashboard. Before building that, I am changing the canvas background so that while we exporting the file, so our canvas background should be there. And yeah, it's here loaded. You can see here dark gradient.jpg. My file name is fit is there, and transparency I am reducing to 200 so that I can be easily visible to me. Now starting with the visuals, as we have know, we have to build multiple charts related to the US sales dashboard supermarket. So we are import there's a chart section where there's a stacked bar chart, stacked column chart, cluster bar chart, and many more like pie chart, donut, map is there. There's a multi-row card, KPI, slicer, table, and many more. And you can from here you can import your visual. But at currently we dashboard we are going to build, all the charts are present in that place here only. So we are going to build the charts. That is stacked bar chart is the first, out of which I am selecting the sheet, and these are the columns you have earlier seen it. So first chart I am going to build, it's by sales by category. I am importing category by here, and sales is on the yeah, yeah, you can see here easily sales by category. For that, we move into the format visuals. From y-axis I am switching off the title. All the values you can switch off, but I am keeping the values on. You can keep the title as well, but according to your own demand. From here I am also switching off the title on the x-axis. From here I am moving the switching on the data labels so that I can get the data. And remember, you can change the colors of bars from the bar section only. Just I am selecting the different colors. You can see here. Oh, okay, it's done. Now in x-axis values are there. I don't need values. So it is like this. To change the title, is a sales by category is done and aligned into center. I am selecting it as a black 40% lighter, black 40% lighter, and color as white, and the color of the X and all the color should be in general. Yeah, effects. From the effects, I am changing the color into black, or you can select all mode color. From the visual borders, I am selecting this visual color borders into this and keeping the corner do some like this. On Now my chart is not prepared till yet, so I am activating the values of y-axis into grayish color, and the x-axis values are all off. So there are data labels. I'm changing the color of the labels to this. You can see sales by category is done. Now creating this sales by category we have created. Now we can again repeat the process like this, or we can easily do the control C plus control V. Here it's again. Now I am using here the subcategory, not the category, subcategory. There's a whole huge number of data in the y-axis. You can see I have to scroll down. So to only have the top 4 or the top 5 or anything according to your data, you can input the click on the filters, and on the subcategories you can select the basic filtering and top n. I am selecting top 4 only. I value on what value you are going to select this sales by category. So I am selecting this as a on the basis of the sales. So you can see it done the same. From the going to the format visual, on the general section I changing the category to avoid the confusion. It's a subcategory. And from the visuals you can go to the bars and change the colors related to your own what you want to select the colors. And I have selected 4 as you have seen. So this is the way we have completed our sales by category section as well. Now I am again control C plus control V, all the methods you have. I am selecting this on the basis of not subcategory, now on the basis of the ship mode. So here I am playing ship mode. The same thing you are going to do with the bars. Here there are the 4 data are there. You can choose the different colors for the first class, second class, or something you want to be. Yeah, I have done with selecting the colors. Yeah, I have completed this thing. Sales by category, sales by subcategory, and sales by ship mode is there. I have to change the title. This is the ship mode. On the copy paste, you have to change the title every time. Otherwise, on drag and drop, the title is taken on the basis of the x axis and y axis you are importing the column. Now coming back to the creating other graphs, I am now selecting the donut graph that is based on the that is based on the sales by payment mode. So payment mode is here, values is on payment mode, and the sales. Oh, I think I have placed some mistake. Yeah, it's done. I am off switching off the legends and data level. You want to keep it, or I am switching on. And on the slices, they are a different colors, so I don't have to change it. If you want to change the colors, you can. You can implement the borders as well, spacing, color as per your demand. On the data level, I am selecting the category and the percent of total, so that it will be easy to identify all the things. Now the values are on the basis of here you can say that 21.9%, but I don't want that 21.99. I want the exact. So I'm selecting to the decimal place as 0. So it's going to be average. Yeah, here I don't have a font. So you can do the same dislike also. I am switching off the legends. Let's go and switch on. Here you can see, and I'm changing the title. That is sales by payment mode. It's done. Now another thing I am going to build by control C to control V, that is sales by region. Sales by region is on the column where it is. Yeah, it's region. I'm switching. See, same like this. There are 4 region in my data: south, west, central, and east. It's displaying. Now control V again and placing here. Now this data will be sales by segment. I'm going to build and it's done. The segment is complete. You can change the color of the slicer just like I have done with the bar graph. You can select the chart, go to the info format visual. Here you can select the slice, color. No, no, wait a second. It's not selected or selected. Yeah, it's selected on the basis of slice. You can select a color like this. West is going to be purple. See, you can change the color like this also. Now, before moving to the next bar, next not bar, next chart. Now we are to build the area graph. Here, area chart is there. Area chart is there. Yeah, I have got it. I am building profit by month. So profit will be on the x-axis. No, it will be on the y-axis to show it. And that is a ship mode. Sorry, ship date is there. I'm selecting ship date on the basis of the month, or you can select basis of anything. See, if I you can change the date hierarchy by month. You are seeing this is on the basis of year and quarter. This is a quarter. Or if I again adding on the basis of day, if you want to see, you can see that's data. So at present, I want the on the basis of month. So I remaining with the month, and here it's only showing for 1 year. So I am shipping data. I am adding to the legend on the basis of the data hierarchy. I am going, and it's a year. There's a 2020, 19, 20, and 21 is there. 3 years data is there. Similar like previously, we have done the format painter. It's done with the format painter. I'm going to I am switching off the legends. Shaded area is there. Data labels I am removing. There's a 2 year data, 19 and 20. You can switch on the data label as per your convenience, but I am switching off to look at more better. For y-axis, I'm running the values with a color of gray so that it can be easily visible. And on the general, I'm going to it and changing the title, that is profit by month or monthly profit, you can say on. That's based on your data you are going to build. Here I am placing the sales by category. Here I am going to build the sales by category. Yeah, that's done. Now the another area chart is going to build, that is on the basis of the sales. So from here, sum of profit is removed and sales is added. See, the same thing is happening. You can change the color of the area as per your convenience. Shaded area, change the color to 19, 20, and 21 as per your choice. 21 is data is not there, that's why it's showing the orange dot. The only single data is there. So it can be removed later on. Now now I am creating the map view on the basis of which it select the region automatically. They can select on which they are country is the US only. There is a country US. On the bubble size, we are inputting the profit. So the profit is on the tooltips. Something I have done wrong. Okay, I have added the region, so it's showing whole world map. We have to add the states. Yeah, it states. Then some of sales is there. I think bubble size. Yeah, you can see here. Some you can drag and drop. But currently, I am unable to do that. So I am doing like this. You can change the title as profit and sales. Profit and sales. I state and short down so that the visibility is more. Then you can select the same format and enter to this. It's not selected. Yeah, it's done. See, on selecting the map, you can go to the map settings and road. You can select the dark, light, and like this. Grayscale is also there. Road is there. And but I am selecting the dark as per my requirement. It's done. Now I am creating a text box here that is named as Superstore Sales Dashboard. You can select font according to your size, font and font size, color, everything you can choose as per your convenience. I'm selecting for my own into the effects. Same thing I've done with the transparency and the visual border I'm owning and implying the rounded corner to 20. So it's look like this. Now completing with this, now we have to build the KPIs. Just the KPIs you can see like this are the KPIs. So I'm first building KPI with the number of sales. So I'm what happened here it is sum of sales. I selected something wrong. I have to select the card to build the KPIs. First I'm going to build the profit. See there is a showing the profit. I am first category removing the category label, call out value to be on it and it's selected as a bold and changing the color of the font and displaying the 175K as you can increase the number of decimal places from here, but I am keeping it at 0. Display unit can be 1000. You can select on billions or millions as per your convenience, but I am selecting to 1000. On the general title, it's I am giving the title as it's profit in the center and reducing its size to this and keeping the color as gray so that I can change the color of the background easily. Here is it. You can see. Okay, I have didn't done the corner rounding. The corners are the sharp. So with the effects, owning the visual borders, I am implementing it to giving to 20 pixel rounding. You can see it here. Profit is there. Similarly, like you can Control C plus Control V, where you can place other card views. Like I am now doing the same thing, sum of sales, but sum of sales is in this format. I don't like this, so I am changing it to millions or creating see like this. Okay, we didn't have changed the title. So then to change the title, we are going to this and writing it as sales. It's done. Similarly, Control C to Control V. We have to place another that is orders now. So we are placing the earliest order. I am adding the count distinct, or you can I am using now the count of order. Call out value is showing the millions. So I am showing the 5.9K is there. I'm going to general title with the replacing with the orders. Yes, now the second it's going to be ordered ship date. On ship date, I am selecting count, so it's giving me okay. It's order and it's going to be same. So I am changing to quantity. Quantity is giving me 22.3K. So call root value of not call out. It's going to be general on title. I am replacing with quantity. You can see it. Now I'm going to build the slicer on the basis of the region. So by this, the region can be easily selected, and here tile. This is a tile view. It's a drop down. On drop down, you can drop and see. Currently, I'm using the tile view. So it's the my tile view. I think I'm adjusting here. With previously, I am removing the slicer header so that it can be placed easily. Then to the values, I'm applying the font color blue with the bold and increasing the size so it can be easily visible. Keeping it as 14. Keeping the border to the black. You can change the background with light. I'm changing it with the light and keeping the format renderer to the same and changing the visual to the effects with visual borders of 19 or 215. Yeah, let's see. We have built our data with a single tab. You are changing the data. You can see here. Okay. Now on the cash on delivery, you can see there's a 43% sales by payment mode. And means people believe that cash on delivery is more flexible for them. The payment mode. Okay, here is the payment mode is written here, but it's not a payment mode. It's a payment by region. We have forgot to edit because we have done the copy paste. So there's a mistake we have done. There's a sales by segment. This is the problem we have faced during the copy paste, or we can easily use the drag and drop. You can choose by yourself. This is the way you can format on the basis of this. We can also forecast the data on the basis of the sales, but that will be posted or in the next video. So to export this, you can keep it on the file. There's the export here, export to PDF. You can see here, there's a export. It's a static presently, or you have to input with a file, file with the export with the Power BI template, so you can do. So it's done. If you like, then hit like, subscribe, and comment, and follow for more videos and projects for Power BI. Thank you.